Right, so this is the female reproductive organs of a pig because it is uterus bicornis subseptus, and the uterine horns are also coiled. They're not straight like they are in dogs and horses.
So you have the ovaries, which have a margo mesovaricus and a margo libera, and you also have the hilus ovary, which is on the margo mesovaricus. You have facies lateralis and facies medialis, extremitus tuberare and extremitus uterine, which is near the end of the uterus, and ligamenti ovari proprium. And then you also have fimbrae, which are attached to the ovary, which are fimbrae ovaricae.
Just a second. So here is that. So this is it, isn't it? Yeah. Oh, so this is the fimbrae. Oh yeah. So sorry, ovaricae. Fimbrae ovaricae is this side, and the longer ones.
Fimbrae tubae.
The shorter ones here.
And then your. And then your uterine tubes are split into your infundibulum, which is the funnel-shaped one, and then that has ostium abdominale tubae, which is inside the infundibulum. You have ampulla tubae uterine, okay?
The main big bit.
Yeah.
And then the isthmus is a narrow and convoluted section, and that has ostium tubae uterinae, which is between the isthmus and uterine horn. And they're all suspended in the mesosphalanx,
which is it's up there.
And the bursa ovari is formed from the ligamenti ovary proprium, and mesosphalanx, and it sits inside. And then you have your uterus, which is split into your cornu uteri, which has your margo mesotericus, margo libera, facies dorsalis and facies ventralis. You have your corpus uteri, which is split into your margo uteri dextra and sinistra, which has your cavum uteri inside with fundus uteri as the floor, facies dorsalis and ventralis, and then ligamenti intercornu.
Cornual between the two uterine horns.
And you also have velum uteri in carnivores, ruminants, and pigs.
So that's what makes it subseptus, because you have the velum.
And then you have cervix uteri, which has canalis cervixi uteri, which runs from the two ostiums. So you have ostium uteri internum, which is between the body and the neck, and then ostium uteri externum, which is between the neck and the vagina. The vagina is split into portio prevaginalis.
The cervixes.
Oh, yeah, sorry. Portio vaginalis. And ruminants have the plica circularis and plica longitudinalis, but pigs have plica longitudinalis and pulvina cervicalis.
So these are the pulvina and then the longitudinalis.
You have ligamenti teres uteri.
Oh, yeah. Which runs along the ligament latum uteri. So it's this.
So latum uteri is all in there?
Yeah, it's the main.
Uteri is there. Okay.
And your vagina is split into paris dorsalis and ventralis, and is surrounded by fornix vaginae.
I think that's species specific then. So.
Absent. Oh yeah, okay, I don't know.
Yeah,
check that.
Check that.
And then in young animals there's the plica vestibulo-vaginale, which would be the hymen, which is broken in older animals. And then there's the vagina propria and vestibulum vaginae. And the sinus urogenitalis is the fusion of the genital and urinary system. In ruminants and pigs, they have diverticulum subuterale, which is inside the ostium urethrae externum. The vestibulum has the glandula vestibularis minor, which is in the tunica mucosa, so it isn't visible, but it's on the lateral or ventral wall. But that has species differences in what animals it's in, and glandula vestibularis major.
Just in the lateral.
In bovines, they have ductus deferens vestigalis. How do I say that word? Vestigalis? Something like that. And then the vulva has labia, vulva, sinistra, and dextra.
We don't have it, but we did it on the cow.
Oh,
yeah.
See the cow.
So that's the pig and that's the cow.